Hello guys, buckle up because today we are diving into exciting world of dashboards in AppSheet. Imagine your app as a car. Now, what's the coolest part of the car? The dashboard, of course. Gives you all the important information in one quick glance. And that's exactly what we are going to learn to create today. Now dashboards in AppSheet are like putting together your favorite puzzle. Each piece is a different view we have already created in our app, like a chart view or a table view. When we put these pieces together, we get a complete beautiful picture. So let's start building. First we create a new view in primary section, create a new view. Here we will select that view type as dashboard, and now we have to select all of the pieces that we want to see in the dashboard. Here I want to see priority count, I want to see status count, and I also want to see the project management app view. That is a view on which we have all of the projects. Next we have all of the details, like it should be the larger view, wide view, taller view, or small view. You can play with these options. These options are useful when we will use the app in desktop mode. So for now I am just making it small, and that's large. Use tabs in here in this view. Let's first of all name it. A good dashboard name is like a great book title. It gets people interested. So let's give it a name dashboard for now, a simple name. In our dashboard you see we have priority count, status count, project management app, and all of the things are listed on top of each other. But in mobile option we can also enable this option, use tabs in mobile view to get the dashboard like that. Let's save it and let me show you more power in desktop mode. If I click on this desktop, our app will be opened in a separate section, and here we have the dashboard. We have priority count section, status section, and we have all of the projects listed here. And that's it. We have got our dashboard, all the essential info at a single glance. It's like having a bird's eye view of your entire app. But here is the best part. Dashboards are fully interactive. Yes, you heard it right. You can click on the charts and you get all of the details of that. It's like magic. Well, folks, there you have it. Dashboards in AppSheet. Not only are they cool and interactive, they also make your app super user friendly and beautiful. And remember, a happy user means a successful app. I hope you enjoyed today's adventure into dashboards. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe button and let us know your thoughts in the comment section. Stay tuned for more exciting AppSheet journeys.